How do fish breathe underwater? Fish don't have noses like us. Instead, they have something special called gills. Gills are little slits on the sides of their heads. When a fish opens its mouth, water rushes in. But what happens next? The water flows over the gills. And guess what? The gills take the oxygen from the water. That's how fish get their air. Just like we breathe air, fish breathe water. They don't need to come up for air like we do. They can stay underwater. Watch the fish open and close its mouth. It's breathing in the water, taking in all that good oxygen through its gills. Every fish has gills. Big fish, small fish. They all breathe underwater with their gills. Isn't that amazing? When you see bubbles, that means the fish is breathing and feeling good. Bubbles are a happy sign. Now you know how fish breathe underwater. They have gills to help them get oxygen from the water. Thanks for swimming with us today. See you next time. Bye-bye.